Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode of Car Addiction. Today is actually an interesting day. So the first two videos that you see from Free Hugs Lambo, my buddy James with his Lambo, we talk about a wrap and a wrap reveal, and today is the reveal. So it's more of a vlogging kind of scenario where, you know, I hang out with a bunch of people, we unveil the wrap, there's a lot of music going on, copyrighted stuff, so I don't know how I'm going to deal with that. Well, I'm here for the fun, for the love of cars, meeting new people. Lamborghini Toronto with their field crew is here, so it's gonna be an interesting event. I invited a couple of my friends to join us. Let's see how that goes. It's about time, 2 minutes to 1 o'clock. So at 1 o'clock, he's gonna bring the car out. So Brian, he got some nice sneak peek footage, and he took some B-rolls inside, which I guess I was a little late, but maybe I don't want to do it. I mean, let's see. All patiently waiting. Whoa. Nice. Okay, he's coming again. Right, there it is. Oh my God. This is awesome.
Love it.
Awesome.
Look at all the
Good job,
details.
guys. Good job.
Woo!
Awesome.
First, I just want to say thank you. I have no speeches, it's nothing. I just figure I have gratitude in me that I want to spread out. So I just want to say thank you for everybody coming out. I really appreciate the press, the YouTubers. I first want to say thank you to Heather in Uptown. So Heather Valentine, I met you right on YouTube, and you know everything about Lamborghinis. So I wanted to go to the best of the best, which was you, and I appreciate you so much and bringing me this car in my life. I thank you so much. And
hey, I appreciate you.
Yeah,
it's a win-win.
This is amazing. Also, you know, Showtime,
yeah,
right? Andrew and Vince, thank you guys so much for wrapping this car. You guys did a phenomenal job. You guys gave me so many other extras that I know you did for me, and I thank you for that. I really appreciate you guys for Showtime.
So if you need a wrap, guys, make sure you check out Showtime.
Yes, and also, I mean, Olivier and you, Max as well, you know, you guys really help with the design, and there's so many things on there. If you get really close, you're gonna see the bull actually wallpapered inside, and that's actually Ferdinand the bull, which is actually known as a bull who was like the biggest bull around, but he had the biggest heart and he didn't want to fight, so he was all about love, and that's what I feel I represent. I also want to just thank everybody else, but most of all, I want to thank my family, because you know I'm not going there, but I just want to say I appreciate them so much, and what a better way to start off Free Hugs Lambo than giving my wife the first hug. Yay! To launch this thing. So.
Yeah.
Thank you, honey.
Awesome.
I don't know if that was taken, but...
That's okay. I'm good with that. All right. So really quick from Showtime Spa, We got Max and Olivier here who helped design this whole thing. So I want to, like, what do you guys think of this whole round? What was the hardest challenge?
I honestly think the biggest challenge was the technical, getting the color perfect and right, because I wanted to match. That was the color.
Oh yeah, dude, look at the shoes.
Oh.
These are the shoes that I was supposed to match.
Okay.
Yeah. And I think that's pretty close.
Those are the shoes that I wanted to match this car.
Really?
Yeah.
I hope you got like another 10 pairs of those.
No, man. I'm gonna have holes on the bottle. I'll keep wearing these things driving this car.
Yeah, but other than that, I really had a good time making the red, because that's an entire pattern.
Let's take a look at it.
There's the bulls. These are the bulls I'm super happy with. This is from the original Ferdinand the Bull
Yes.
German book cover. This is the actual bull that I shrunk down, turned into a pattern. Then underneath that, there's the hexagons that we were originally going to put on the whole car. But like this, it looks so...
It looks really good. It almost looks like it's peeling off.
Yeah, it makes it clean, it breaks off, and then you have a couple little Easter eggs. So you have the Mickey
Yeah, we
mouse
saw some hidden Mickeys.
down here and the rear bumper.
I see
and
some
then-
triangles.
So that's our logo. That's our company
I love
logo.
it. I love it.
We integrate everything.
Triangle to me, that's all spaceship, that's all alien, so,
Yeah.
you know. Otherwise, you guys want to be on this project. I gotta have my people on this.
I also love that how hexagons work so much with Lamborghini as well, because the wheels are hexagons. Yeah. So it's,
It also helped break up some of the sharper edges.
yeah, exactly. Yeah, because even like it's just I love the layering. Like that was what it was for this. That made it so fun for me. There's the layering, because you can even see it's a fade. The yellow is the base. It fades from yellow to red. I think middle out. And I love that so much. And there's the bulls over everything. And even the hexagons inside have texture.
Yeah.
Like it's everything. We tried to get good, subtle density
That's
to it.
awesome,
Like
man.
that works. Yeah. Trying to, yeah. Super happy with how it turned out.
But what do you think? Let's ask another Lamborghini owner here. Like, what, you love it? Is it crazy? A little fun?
I love it, absolutely.
Little
Yeah, I
peacemaking
love all
love.
the little details that are actually in the car.
Some hidden Mickeys in there?
Yeah, I noticed it. You know what? She
found
noticed that.
Hey,
She knows that she's like,
you're
"There's
gonna
a
have to
Mickey
make
in
some die-cut stickers with the Huggership on it.
Yeah, no, I'm happy to give all these up, but you know, for me, even if it was like $1 a sticker, no, and it's not for me profit, it's to give back to nonprofits.
Yeah.
It's to raise money, even for something to help people wherever. So the party is dying down.
Wow, you
Or
just-
no,
you
it's
just-
actually starting.
You just go right into this camera. You just start talking.
Yeah. I've been doing this for a bit.
Action.
Action. So the party is finishing off from here and moving to his house, I guess. So we had a wonderful time. Thank you
Oh,
for inviting me.
100%. You're
Food
always
was
invited.
awesome. Food was really good.
Yes.
And,
it was. Buffalo wings, donuts, like usual. That's what we eat.
Next time
actually-
we're gonna do a foot-long meatloaf.
Yes, he's gonna drive and he gets to pick whatever food he wants and we're gonna eat in the car. So why don't you write down in the comments what food we should do in this bad boy over here, and encourage him to pick some fun food.
Okay.
Okay?
I got fun food in my mind. No problem. Thank you for making it to the end of the video. We had a wonderful time, and please check the link below for free Hugs Lambo. Follow him. His videos are really cool, really awesome. He's giving out a lot to the community, so please give him a thumbs up.
You
Give him a
guys-
subscribe.
You guys actually help shape my YouTube channel. You guys take the shotgun ride in the Hugger ship. So if it's from everybody who on YouTube has designed this car, from everything, and you guys are going to steer me to where we go in your neighborhood, your Hugs, wherever, your community, help at anything, a fundraiser. I'm there, and I do it all for free. I don't ask for any money. I'm there to help humanity and help spread more love and more joy. So, and I get to do it with this guy. Awesome. Take care. Bye.